Okay, we're redoing our backyard. We just put the weather cover on this outlet. It's weathered. It's been here for a long time. And we just put this on. This will be to hook up an outlet later. So it's wrapped around and the switch inside there is shut off. Let's just step back a little bit. Step back. So this is just a placeholder. And we're going to scrap that. But we were able to use an old foundation. It's about 4 inches deep. And some travertine. These will be cleaned up real nice. So we got this little seating area. This is going to be for a bar right about here. Don't mind my cane. And there's going to be a deep sink, say right about here. So we have a couple of sago palms and a very nice palm tree growing. This will be cleaned up. All that scrap metal we removed. That fence right about there, that's where this grill was. And this is in the process of becoming a waterfall. And so here we are. That's what we got. And it is going to connect right about where I'm walking to here. And that will lead to the patio right there. And we are definitely in the process. Of course, we have the view of the pool once everything's looking very tropical, festive. That's all. See ya.